Yes, guys. 1st of April, trade breakdown. Literally took a trade within the first 10 minutes of being on. I've only just logged on, and yeah, nice little 1.8k trade. Um, so yeah, I'm just gonna quickly break this down as to why I took it, what I was looking for. So on the daily, I had no plan. I think this high was protected if we're bearish, so that was kind of my idea. Dropping down, it did look like we could come and take these highs, but again, still no real plan. Dropped in, saw this low, which made us make these highs. So I was like, okay, cool. That's either our protected low or it's our target. And to be honest, I was thinking it's more of our target because I was thinking we kind of took that heavily. We've come down, inverted this gap. But then the more you drop down, the more you realise there's just hidden gaps within places. So, like hidden gap here, there's a hidden, like all this was like kind of hidden. This is absolutely blasting off, by the way, now. But yeah, so didn't really have a direction. So when I dropped to the one, I saw we was kind of climbing a little bit, and then I saw this high. Um, we were also in this 15-minute gap. Now this was the only thing that made this trade a little bit more risky because I know it's closed now, but literally it's just closed 30 seconds ago. But before that, this was just in the gap. So I was looking at shorts. To be honest, I was thinking maybe we'll come over and invert this and go lower. But that didn't happen. And what happened was we came down into this 3 minute gap and then gave quite a strong reaction higher. So when that happened, I did see this inversion happen. So you can see we've got a very nice clear AMD accumulation manipulated below these wicks into that 3 minute gap, which is down here, and then we came up and inverted that. But I didn't take it, and I was waiting for this 15 second gap because we hadn't closed that. And then when we closed it with this really horrible rejection wick. But I noticed it made equal highs. So I was like, okay, cool. I'm not going to take this, but cool, let's just wait. Because I did think that it was going to come down and just destroy all these people that had got in. But when it came down, it created a brand new AMD inside of itself. Look, so we had now accumulation here, manipulation into this gap, which only actually existed on the 15 second, but the way it came down, and if you think about it now, this is now built, this had now built alignment as well as drawing liquidity. So for example, I had that as an idea, then we came down and took this, like this was going to be my protected low if it was going higher. So we came down, we respected it, started pushing higher, so it shows that we're bullish or could be bullish. And then literally as I drop down, and I'm lucky that I've got access to these lower time frames, but as we was coming down, now if we're bullish still, then this is now the protected low. So this gap here is the final gap before. If we violate it, then we're wrong. And we didn't violate it. We perfectly respected it. Then we perfectly inverted this with volume. So I was just like, fuck this, I'm getting in it. So I got in there. The risk reward was not great, to be honest. Got in there, and then main target was there, proper target was there, but even when once we hit that target, I did have a TP, and I just got rid of it. I was just like, this TP, this can shoot off now, and it has. But what I did was, I just kind of compressed. I just like pulled the stop loss, just kept trailing it, and I got took out just up here. So it was just under a 1-to-1 that we got took out for, which is good going in my opinion. I think I got took out there. and I got in on the trade there, so it was about 0.75 R. But yeah, shame really, because I could have went break even and then just rode it all the way up, which is fine. But yeah, I'm happy with what I got, and yeah, looks like we're now going higher, so I could carry on trading really. Just use this as now the new target. But yeah, it's today's trade.